Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to earn more beans on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee if you already hadn't done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom of the screen, we have everything about your profile. We have the messages where you can of course go and check out all of those. We have the plus button where you can put your own content, the of course explore, and the last thing is the for you page. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and earn more beans on Likee. So how to get beans on Likee? Well, beans which are earned by opening Likee every day. So by only opening the application, you're going to start getting beans. Watching, posting videos, fan growth, and receiving gifts. So those are some of the ways you can do it. Likee features in-app purchases whenever users can buy diamonds and gift days as beans, which can be cashed out from out of the app for Lira currency at of course the end. So those are the things how you can get of course those beans, which you can then cash out. You can go and trade them for diamonds, and a lot of things there are that can be done. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.